those of you who are following our travels, we left Hamburg, New York Sunday night. That's right near Buffalo. So we stayed on Interstate 90 all the way to Illinois and picked up Interstate 80. So we were in New York, went to Pennsylvania, then Ohio, then Indiana. Now we're in Illinois. And our next stop is going to be the world's largest truck stop, Interstate 80 in Iowa. So we'll go inside there and videotape that a little bit. We're seeing America one attraction at a time. I guess what we're doing is spending our kids' inheritance. There it is, the world's largest truck stop, Interstate 80. Now let's see if we can get over there.
Iowa 80 Kitchen Restaurant.
That's it, Iowa 80. All right, we'll see how much stuff is in here. You know, laundry, showers, truck wash, restaurant. Let's see if there's a kids entertainment area. I've never been here before, so this will be our first time.
They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 restaurants.
6 restaurants?
Uh-huh.
What are you counting as restaurants?
Well, they got the Iowa 80 Kitchen.
Ottawa.
I mean,
Interstate.
Iowa 80. Then they've got Wendy's, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, Dairy Queen.
I want a sit-down restaurant though. They have a sit-down restaurant. Is this the entrance right here?
Yeah.
All right, get me in here.
Keep going to the right.
All right, I'll turn this off and we'll turn it back on later. Coming into the world's largest truck stop. Check this out. And then it's just gigantic in here. We're gonna eat in a restaurant here. Chris, I got you on camera. Chris, stand next to that ghillie suit. All right. Don't smile.
Can you believe he's actually trusted me to hold the phone and take a picture?
Right.
All right, here's where we're at. The world's largest truck stop. And there's my man sitting on a pig. Let's not hear any comments about the pig, okay? Makes good bacon. Oops, it slipped.
All right.
Okay, here's Mr. Lund.
Here's the Iowa 80 kitchen. This is going to be a buffet. Check this out. And here's the buffet. Looks empty, but we are here early. Wait a minute, smile. I got you again. Check that fire over there. Check the hubcaps over there. And the buffet. There's a nutritious dinner. What do you got, Chris? Pork, chicken, potatoes. What's that? What's that?
This is cottage cheese.
Oh, cottage cheese. I can't stand cottage cheese. And of course, I got a hot cup of coffee. We're in a truck stop. Kids section. Check this out. Oh yeah. How many of us have played those games? Look at the wheels on that. Looking around, getting pictures of interesting stuff. Check this out. I wish it gave the year of it. Turn around and show you these barrels on here. This old truck's pretty fascinating. I wonder what year it is. I bet someone in the comments could tell me the year, or some guy older than me. I'm gonna guess in the 40s. I'm gonna guess a 48. So Ford. There's a picture of Allied van lines. Oh, look at how they changed those street lights. That's pretty cool. Who'd have thunk? Fun facts. Interstate 80 is the second longest interstate in the United States. 2,900 miles from Teaneck, New Jersey to San Francisco, California. Watch that. Look at that. See that star? That's where I'm at right now. That's Iowa. The next state is Nebraska, and then we're going into Wyoming, and then where it shoots down a little bit, we're going down into Utah, and that's the trip. Okay, look at over here. I like this here. If you got it, a truck brought it. Well, look at here. We use skylights in the building to allow its natural light and save energy. Opened in 1964 and has never closed. That's interesting. Each July since 1979 we celebrate America's Truckers Jamboree. Is it really the largest truck stop? Let's see. Is Iowa 80 really the world's largest truck stop? Yes, we are. We serve the most customers, 5,000 per day, can park the most trucks, over 900, occupy the most land, 85 developed acres, and have the largest main building, over 130,000 square feet. It's a candy store for truckers. Alright. There's all kinds of places to take good shots outside, but I'm staying inside. There's the sign right there. Believe it, even a pet wash. I mean, the guy could live here. You could live in your van and come in here and take a shower, wash your clothes, wash your dog. Play games, eat food, whatever you want to do all day long. You could actually live here. A pet wash. What do you know? All kinds of things to see in here. Check this out. Over there's the bed of a pickup used as a trailer. This is a gigantic place. If I had more time, we could spend a couple hours in here and not see everything. That is so cool. Look at this. Showers, theater, barber, dentist, public laundry, a chiropractor. A guy could live here. Right here. Everything you need. Shot of this when I was downstairs looking up on the hoist. I wish I knew what year this one was. It's another Ford. I guess somebody out there knows what year it is. There's a Christian Chapel Ministries. Sunday service, 9 a.m. I love these old trucks. truck. Look at the back, going to the front. There's the cab. Tell me if that's not cool. Even people that don't like trucks have got to love this picture.